Howdy, mates. Here will be a shorter film. This is number 2 for today. We have entered another destination here. This is known as the Ice Cave. Now, this particular landmark is very unique in the state of Iowa, considering that this is sort of a step back in time. Essentially, the conditions that are present in there, where I just came from, resemble that of what one would have experienced during, say, the most recent Ice Age, which roughly would have been over 10,000 years ago. Anywho, an individual by the name of Alois Kovarik discovered this little gem, and he did some studying with it at a relatively young age, too, as a matter of fact. He was around 18. He was a teacher at the Decorah Institute. But something he was studying on were the conditions of this cave. So, rather than how we associate most caves, which maintain a relatively constant temperature throughout the year of approximately 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, this cave is a little different. Rather, the conditions in here are below freezing point, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So essentially the way it works is, given the type of rock that is present and the fact that there is water that trickles from above and will make its way into the cave, it creates ice in that process. No vanilla ice. No. Just regular ice. And what happens is, when the ice forms around the passageways in this cave, it prevents heat from escaping. That being said, the ice could stay around for as late as July or even August. When I was walking through in there were indeed some ice formations. And so, given that set of conditions, that is why ice remains present for a longer period. Because usually around now, the ice would have already been melted at this point. And so, as a result, having those cooler air passages from those specific parameters, that's why it's always chilly in there. I mean, as a matter of fact, I can feel it a little bit right now. But this particular ice cave has, Alois Kovarik realized that it had a particular significance of what it represented, given its unique qualities. And so it became designated as part of a state preserve that remains protected. And there is a particular group of springtails that are found in there, known as the columbola. And apparently they are found nowhere else in North America. So that's another thing too. When you have a particular setting with unique conditions like that, you are bound to find unique forms of wildlife too. So, quite a neat visit so far. Of course, you have to be careful when you go through here, just because of the ice passages. Make sure you have decent boots. As a matter of fact, I need to get a decent pair of boots. The ones I have now are getting a bit old. Alright, you guys, have a good one. Take care. And of course, Dirty on a Journey is onwards. See you later.